Hello, Lorrie here on Vancouver Island. And I haven't taken a lot of time in the last couple of weeks to shoot video or do any editing or anything like that. And so now I have no videos to share. But I thought I'd come on today because I did get some mail and I thought I'd come on and share the beautiful, beautiful Christmas gifts that I have received. So first, I got one from Freehandly Made, Nisi over at Freehandly Made. It's a peanut. Oh, you can see right through. You can see through the tree because it's green and I have a green screen. Too funny. Anyway, yeah, so that was from Mr. Handsome, Nisi, and Little Man. And I got one from my daddy. That was very sweet. He sent a very nice letter along with that. And it says, "May your heart, your home, and your Christmas be filled with love," which is fantastic. And then this is just beautiful. This one is from Gail's Southern Living, and it's very glittery. I loved it. When I opened the envelope, glitter came out. And look at that truck. I love that truck. Christmas fills our homes with blessings. Wishing you heartfelt joy, happy memories, and heavenly blessings for a delightful Christmas and New Year. Thank you. Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace and goodwill toward men. Lovely. Oh, and then my brother's wife, my sister-in-law, Jessica, sent me a beautiful letter filling me in on what they've been up to this year. I don't know if, oh, it does. They're all wearing green. So I didn't know how well it would show up on the camera, but look at how adorable those pictures are. So cute. And then she sent this one too, but you can't see the pictures quite as well. Although that one at this end is very cute. And then last but not least, vineyard chicks. Thank you, vineyard chicks. Oh, what fun. Oh, this is fabulous. Look at this. From the vineyard chicks. Merry Christmas. Wishing you peace, love, and joy this holiday season. Oh, what fun. Definitely. And I love the pictures. What a great memory. So really that's it for me today. I don't have a whole lot going on. Mima is doing really well. She's up and she's walking and she's eating and she's feeling pretty good and she keeps getting better all the time. We have appointments coming up. We have one tomorrow actually with the stroke clinic, a virtual appointment. So that will be interesting. We might be able to get some of our questions answered, and that would be good. But yeah, that's it for me for today. Thanks for popping in and saying hello, and I will hope to see you soon. And I will get back to doing videos, I swear. I have some cooking stuff coming up. I have some gardening stuff coming up. And I'm going to get this craft room clean so that I can pour some paint this winter. So, yes, things are going to be coming together here. And I'll see you soon. Take care of yourself.